Some adverse effects of climate change to agricultural productions. Some lands are unsuitable for growing crops. There will be millions of people facing hunger in Africa in the near future. Climate change will result in less production and less food. It is difficult for developing countries to deal with climate change due to their financial status and other issues. There are many people living in hunger, especially in Africa. The climate change has devastating effects on the world economy. The tropical areas on the earth are dry and hot, and originally not suitable for food production. The change of climate leads to
7PLUS
extreme weather
PTE.
conditions such as floods and hurricanes, which exacerbates the food production. As a result, it leads to a continuous decline in food supply annually, around 10% to 17%, and this trend is perceived to be continuing in the future by 2070. The regions suffering the most will be some African countries.